Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPAL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a new measure for administrative units. Let's get started. From the SPAL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic or fiscal year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. Now, click the drop-down menu right beside the All Assessment by Program heading. Then, select the option by Administrative Unit. Once redirected to the All Assessments by Administrative Units page, you should see the unit you're managing along with its list of outcomes. AO stands for Administrative Outcome and SSO stands for Student Support Outcome. Now, select the outcome for which you plan to create your measure. For this example, we are selecting the AO1. You will then be redirected to the Administrative Unit Outcome Details page. Now, click the Measure tab. Then, click the blue plus button right beside the Measures heading. When the new measure dialog box appears, complete all the fields provided. Depending on the measure you plan to use, select the appropriate measure type from the categories provided in the drop-down list. To help you identify which category each measure falls under, please access the List of Assessment Measures document from the link in the description box below. Next, select whether your measure is direct or indirect. In a nutshell, direct measure examines actual results relative to the outcome. Indirect measure, on the other hand, examines perceptions or feelings relative to the outcome. By default, a new measure entry is considered a direct measure. You can deselect this field if your measure is indirect. To know more about direct and indirect measures, please access the All About Assessment Measures document from the link in the description box below. After filling out all fields, click Save. And there you have it. You just created a new measure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!